What's up guys, welcome to the video. This is my blown motor out of my Speed 3, and before it goes to the junkyard, we're actually going to be breaking it down, take the head off because that might be savable, and just check out what happened, look for some damaged parts, just for fun. So enjoy the video. First thing, all these timing cover bolts, 8mm. What the hell? Why doesn't mine do that?
It's completely different.
That's on setting 2. Oh, this is where it shines. Woo! Damn! Ah, there we go. On the Speed 3, the head studs are actually right underneath these cams, so we have to take these off, and then we have to take the buckets out. We're going to label the buckets just in case the head is still good. On the timing cover side, it starts intake side 1, it says I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. Then on the exhaust side, it goes exhaust 1, E2, E3, E4, E5. And for the buckets themselves, we're going to Sharpie them I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7, I8, and the same thing for the exhaust side, just so we know what exact bucket goes where. After that, we'll lift up the cams, and then we'll have access to the head studs, and then we should be able to take the head off. So here you can see this one says E5, so we have the exhaust side 5. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to clean up the oil on these cam buckets and then label it intake side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then exhaust side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, we're going to take the head studs out. Shit. They're in there good. Holy! Wow. Check it out, guys. Just pulling out some chunks. The connecting rod. Did some damage.
Pull the connecting rod out. Let me see the connecting rod.
That thing got a beating. Wow. So it's just cylinder 3. Got a hole here. Hole here. Hole in the oil pan. It all's right in line with cylinder 3. This thing took an absolute beating. I should save these. I'm gonna save these parts, guys. This is actually insane. Here's the connecting rod. So all the damage happened in cylinder 3. You can see the spark plug just got smashed. These valves look a little bent maybe. Other cylinders didn't really get much beating, but cylinder 3.
You gotta push those in, and there's a little retainer in there. Take that out and the spring pops right out.
Alright. Oh, there's the rest of the parts. Wow. Bunch of metal. Bucket things. I don't know what these go to. There's Liam. Oh. She's toast. You can see here, this bearing cap bolt's broke. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this teardown video, I know you'll enjoy the video of actually us putting the built motor from Shedbuilt and Dirty Water Racing in the car. So be sure to subscribe for more content if you enjoyed this. Trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. I think it's feasible. So if you wouldn't mind helping me reach that goal, hit that subscribe button. A lot more content coming soon, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.